Hello everyone, myself R.N. Srivastav, Principal, the Millennium Academy, Ramna Family Headpur. Just I want to prove the quality of the education as well as for the students the good discipline.
Hi, this is Nosha Zadi and I am taking UKG class. We create a joyful atmosphere where young learners develop confidence, creativity and discipline.
Hello, myself Priyanshu Stogi. As I am the member of the Millennium Academy student, I would like to say that time and tide never wait for anyone. So please focus on your studies, and I am the teacher here, and I will always support you. Thank you.
Hello, this is Nosad. I teach science over here at the Millennium Academy. We create an engaging learning environment where curiosity leads to discovery.
My name is Avril Mishra. Here at Millennium Academy, we teach maths as a tool for shaping a successful future and build analytical skills in children which they need in their upcoming life.
Greetings everyone, this is Upasna. As a social science teacher, we teach students the subject like history, civic, geography and enable them to become more responsible citizens.
My name is Akash. We are learning enjoyable, interactive, inspiring student grasp concept with clarity and confidence. Math is not just about number. Math is not just about number. It's a discovery, confidence, and a whole lot of fun.
My name is Mani Srivastav. I am a class teacher of class 3rd at Millennium Academy. We provide a nurturing environment that encourages curiosity and exploration during a child's early years.
Hello, my name is Yash Tandon, class teacher of class 4 and I'm a computer teacher. In this digital era, coding and computing are essential. Our students receive top-tier training to stay ahead.
This is Prakash Mishra. I teach in lower kindergarten class. We focus on experiential learning, helping the young children develop essential skill life.
My name is Sarjit Singh. I am a Hindi teacher. Through storytelling and creative writings, we inspire students to express themselves confidently in Hindi.
We ensure our students develop a strong command over Hindi, fostering a deep understanding of literature and culture.
I am Taranjeet Singh, Managing Director of the Millennium Academy School. At our institutions, we are dedicated to provide a comprehensive education that fosters academic excellence, personal growth, and character development. We invite to join the Millennium Academy School, Ramna Farm, and be a part of this inspiring educational journey. Thank you.